Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video here at 88 Rotors Off-Road. We have a Tundra compilation today, starting off with this one that's coming in for a Baja Kits long travel setup. And with all that extra space now with the glass fenders, we're also going to be throwing on some 38-inch tires. Let's get this thing staged up safely on the rack and we'll jump right in and knock this thing out. This Baja Kits long travel pre-runner kit gives you 6 inches of wider track, which is 3 inches wider per side. You also get about 13 inches of wheel travel and it lifts the truck about 3.5 inches. So this kit consists of the front, upper, and lower control arms. We're also doing the extended axle shaft on it and the steering extensions. And of course, as you can see, we're throwing the King shocks on here, 2.5 remote fin reservoir coilovers and shocks all around on it with the compression adjusters. Over in the rear end, we also installed the Baja Kits upper and lower billet trailing arms. The new glass fenders on the vehicle, we were able to upsize the tires to a 38 by 13.5 needle trail grappler MT. Full clearance with articulation on it as well. Our shop is located here in sunny Southern California in the city of Baldwin Park. If you'd like to get some work done by us, reach out to us anytime by phone, or you can always message us by clicking on the link in the description and going to our contact form. The new long travel setup has been installed. We also upsized the tires. We also did a manual alignment with fine-tuning of the caster to make sure that there's full clearance even with articulation. It's time to take it out for a quick test drive before we hand the keys back over to our customer. Next up, we have a 3rd generation Tundra in magnetic gray metallic. This is a limited model, 4x4 with a TRD off-road package. We're doing a mid-travel setup on this one with the Fox 2.5 Performance Elite Series with DSC coilovers and shocks all around with some camber kinetic billet uniball upper control arms in the front and some Old Man Emu rear lift springs. For the wheels and tires on this one, we went with a set of RRW RR7H Flowform wheels in a 17 by 8.5 size with a 0 offset. We wrapped it up in a 35 12.5 17 Toyo Open Country RT tire. Here at 88 Rotors, we can help you take out the guesswork on what parts that you need to order. If you're not local to us and need to order parts online, check out our website at 88rotorsoffroad.com. We have pre-packaged lift kits, pre-assembled and pre-adjusted for the perfect ride height. You know we love all generations of the Tundra here. This one's a 2nd generation Tundra in a magnetic gray metallic color as well. We're doing a King setup on this one. King 2.5 remote reservoir coilovers and shocks all around with compression adjusters and some cambered tubular X-joint upper control arms. Here at 88, we have all new products only. The latest and greatest version for the 2nd generation Tundra are the 2.5 remote reservoir coilovers that come with finned reservoirs. A lot of guys are telling us that they're ordering parts from other places online and they're not getting the finned reservoirs. And if that's happening to you, that means you're getting old inventory. Next up, we have another 2nd generation Tundra. This one's a white TRD Pro. We're doing a King 2.5 remote fin reservoir coilover and shock setup on this one with compression adjusters, same cambered tubular X-joint upper control arms. We're doing a body mount chop here to clear some 35 12.5 17 Toyo Open Country RTs that we're wrapping on some Method MR305s. Let's get the wheels and tires on this one now, bring it down to the ground and bring it outside so you can see the stance of the vehicle. We hope that you guys are enjoying the video so far, and if you do so, please find time to click on the thumbs up and give us a like. It makes a big difference for this video and the channel itself, and it definitely encourages us to make more videos like this for your viewing pleasure. And next up, we have a brand new Tundra TRD Pro in mud bath. This one's coming in for a Westcott Designs preload collar lift setup. So according to the owner of this mudbath Tundra TRD Pro, he ordered the vehicle for California delivery with the tow mirrors. They accepted the order built the truck, and shipped it over. When it was delivered to California, they told him that the mirrors were not California compliant. I'm not sure why it is. Maybe it sticks out way too much or something like that. But what he had to do was ship the vehicle back over to Texas. He then flew over to Texas and drove the truck back. He even asked Toyota to swap the mirrors back to the standard ones, but Toyota said no to that. They said that since it was built this way, it had to be delivered that way. Kinda sucks and a troublesome experience for him. Next up we have this MGM Sequoia. This one's getting a body mount chop right now to fit some 35-inch tires. We're also doing a Dobinson IMS lift setup on this one. Back over to the Mudbath Tundra TRD Pro, the Westcott Designs preload collar lift setup has been installed. It consists of the front preload collar and top shim. The rear gets a coil spacer. Of course, the front also gets the bump stop spacer, and the rear shock spacer is included in the package as well. We're going with a set of RRW RR7H flowform wheels on this Mudbath Tundra. 17 by 8.5 size with a 0 offset. Tire of choice here are the Nitto Ridge Grapplers in a 35 12.5 17 size. If you guys like what you see here and want to see more, make sure to follow us on Instagram. You can find us at 88 Rotors Off-Road. Want a set of these RRW RR7H wheels? Check us out at 88rotorsoffroad.com. Use promo code YouTube to get $100 off a set of 4 wheels. And here's the Sequoia that we're wrapping up with the Dobinson IMS setup. We're doing the IMS, springs, and shocks all around with some Icon billet upper control arms in the front end. We're also doing the Method MR703s on here with some 35-inch tires with the body mount chop to clear it all. Next one up is a 3rd generation Tundra in Lunar Rock. This one's coming in for a Westcott Designs preload collar lift setup with some RRW RR7H, full form wheels in gloss black with some 35-inch tires. And this is pretty much going to wrap it up for today's video, guys. Thank you very much for tuning in. We greatly appreciate it, as always. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't already, turn on that notification bell. That way you'll get alerted every time we post a new video. Until then, take care, guys.